The Civil Architectural Engineering Department consists of two programs, the Civil Engineering area and the Architectural Engineering Department program. And also we have a Master's in Civil Engineering. The Civil Engineering program deals with major infrastructural projects like highways, bridges, wastewater treatment plant, environmental issues, geotechnical engineering that deals with the soil issues, construction that deals with the project management, scheduling, cost estimation, and the architectural engineering deals with only building-related issues. So we transfer the work of the architects into engineering work by doing smart building and smart energy-efficient construction and materials.
Joseph Daniels, a civil and architectural engineering major, was recently honored as the top senior in the College of Engineering. His path to A&T began with childhood toys.
I loved Legos, so the whole thing of making Legos in my basement was a really interesting thing. And then an uncle of mine is also a civil engineer, so he was working on a project, and I broke one of his tools, and he got mad at me. So I wasn't able to do anything with him anymore because he thought I was going to break something. But I took things around the house and I used them, and I wanted to. I was also a football player, so I wanted to work out, and so I made a weight bench because we didn't have one.
He was fortunate to get an early exposure to architecture that helped push him along.
My father is really instrumental in my life, and he pretty much was like, "You need to do engineering." I was like, "I don't know, I'm 7 years old, I don't care." But a friend of his, architectural engineer, and he did a lot with architecture. He did a lot of drawings. So I went to his house and I saw his house. I was like, "Wow, you designed this. This is excellent." But I went on like a full day of what he did and didn't like the whole drawing aspect. I wanted to be more hands-on and be out in the field and see what was going on. So I wanted to do civil engineering. So that's where I am since I was about 8.5 years old.
And A&T is a perfect match for those who'd like to follow in Joseph's footsteps.
So we recruited very young, active, energetic faculty members. So these faculty members really have done a lot of collaboration with many outstanding universities. We have solid relationship with MIT. We've been sending students there in maybe of the summer each year. We have relationship at the international level. We have established some MOU with Nottingham, England, and we have similar program with France. So we have really so many programs with many universities to assist our students.
Joseph's advice to any potential student:
and you just continue to do what you do, and you never imagine yourself getting all these different awards and accolades in the process. You just continue to go, and then you're going, and the journey that you take is typically what gets you in the different committees, different leadership roles, and the different opportunities like I have today.
Well, the architectural engineering program is the only program in the state, and it's the only, or maybe 13 or 14 other programs in the country that matches our program at the architectural engineering program. Our students get employment in many different levels of agencies. They can be state employed, can be federal employed, can be local employed by the city government or county government, and we have, of course, the private sectors. So the employment opportunity is great, and the department is great.